Hey guys, welcome back to Russell's Garage. So, good news on the Challenger over there. What I did fixed it. The door switch is actually working again, and not having a problem with a battery drain. So just by doing a little reset on that body control module, took care of the issue. I'm glad about that because that door handle was like $250. I didn't feel like spending that right now. So today on the channel, we got this rust spot here, and I'm going to zoom in for you guys here in a minute. But I want to get this cleaned up, see how much good metal we have, and show you guys how I make a patch to fix this. So stick around and we'll get started on this. I'm Russell. Welcome to Russell's Garage. So guys, if you can see this, this is where the battery tray sat, and over the years the corrosion from the battery ate a hole into the side of the fender here. So I'm going to take the wire wheel and start cleaning this up and see how much good metal we have and how much bad metal that we're going to have to cut out of this. And then I'll show you how I make a template to make the metal patch that I will weld back in here. So, guys, anytime you are using power tools, grinding or cutting anything, you want to wear safety glasses, goggles, use your earplugs. You want to protect your hearing, and a dust mask to keep all the nasty rust and old paint out of your lungs. You got to protect yourself. Alright guys, you can see that when I took the wire wheel, it made the hole even bigger. So now we got a good idea where we have good solid weldable metal. So I'm probably going to cut it along here and then down and then come across here and weld a new piece in there. Might have to do this in a couple pieces. See if I have any other. Yep. So I'm going to take my Sharpie here to where I'm going to cut And that's what we're going to cut out and make our metal patch of. Alright guys, I'm going ahead and switching it up to the air saw. Cut this little corner out. Can't get into there with the grinder very well. All right, guys. Here's the piece that I cut out right here, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I make my template. So here's our piece of steel that we're going to use to make our patch panel out of. Kind of get a rough idea. I can trim it. Where's my Sharpie? Back it up a little bit on there. All right. A little bit longer straight edge. So this line that I drew across here, that's where I need to make my break in it. I'm just rough cutting it right now. I'll trim it better when I get it all shaped. Put this in the vise over here. Show you guys how I start making my brakes since I don't have a brake. I just have a little itty bitty vise. So I get it started, and then now I'm going to beat it over. I might have to get a brake. Haven't had to do this big of a piece before. Well, that looks pretty good for a rough cut right now. So guys, just by what I did so far with shaping it, this is how it fits. I still got a lot more shaping to do. It's still a little bit bigger. I wanted to make it bigger. I'm probably going to have to do a little filler piece. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. So what I might do is I might go ahead and make this piece here a little bit bigger of a filler piece because it has a couple different contours I need to do there. And clean this edge up here a little bit. Good thing about metal, you can always add to it. That's good there. So that's good there.
I was starving, now I'm eating till my belly full. From up north, we get cold, you need a heavy coat. Scared to end up on a shirt before a centerfold. Devil on my back, target on me, deadly too. Play for keeps, don't tweet. It's not peace, don't speak. 24, no sleep. This is real, no tweet. My bros for life, can't break this link. Family on my side, baby stay around me. I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second, I want this. I'm all in my ass where I'm a wreck. I've been moving like a hot mess. I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second, I want this. I'm all in my ass where I'm a wreck. I've been moving like a hot mess. Want that combo, better know you'll need a check from me. Can pay to play, the sun that still won't get a cent from me. I mix the fit up with the side like it's a remedy. I mix it up inside the pot, watch it drip while it drop. Time to take it to the top. Chips all in the middle like it fall, no I won't flop. We gon' pop like a soda can top. To me this is nothing, call my bluff and I won't stop.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna end the video now. I got a ton of time that I'm gonna be bending that, and I'll bring you guys back when I get it all shaped and everything. As you can see the process on how I go about shaping it, but it's gonna take about 4 or 5 hours for me just to make this panel. When I get ready to weld it in and everything, we'll come back to it, and I'll show you guys how I get it all welded in. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Like, share, subscribe, leave some comments. I like seeing the comments. I like getting involved with you guys. Tell me what you guys want to see. Tell me what direction you want me to go. I am going to be getting the 57 down here in the next couple of days or so, and we're going to fire her up. It's been a little while, so she's going to be a bugger to fire up, and we got to get her cleaned up. So So I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks.